Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. Have you ever wondered how those adorable AI-powered baby filters are created? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating your very own AI baby filter. It's going to be loads of fun, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need some essential software and tools. Don't worry, most of them are easily accessible. In this video, we'll show you how to create the AI baby filter using the popular Remini app. This app utilizes artificial intelligence technology to enhance and transform photos. And here comes the highlight of the show, the AI baby filter. This trend has taken TikTok by storm, and for a good reason. It allows you to catch a glimpse of what your future bundle of joy might look like. Now let us take a look at how to use Remini to create a baby filter. Download the Remini app from Play Store. Open the Remini application. Click on Get Started. Click on Next until you reach the main page. You can either pay the subscription fee or click on Not Sure Yet option. Now click on Give Access to Photos. Slide up to get started. Click on AI Photos. Select the gender and click on Continue. You can either click Selfie or upload photos from your gallery. Upload your images from gallery. Click on Continue. Select a baby model image from here. Click on Continue. Now click on Use this model image and cancel the subscription page. To get the final look, we have to take 3-day trial subscription. Now it's your turn. Download the Remini app and try out the AI baby filter. Share your results with us in the comments. We'd love to see your future little ones. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.